Ever felt like your budget is a hamster wheel? You work hard, budget diligently, but still feel like you're constantly chasing your tail? Today, we're diving deep into a crucial question for YNAB users. Does YNAB have rollover? And more importantly, how does it handle your hard-earned cash? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular budgeting method that focuses on giving your money a job. It emphasizes assigning every dollar a specific purpose, whether it's rent, groceries, or that much-anticipated vacation. But what happens when you don't spend all the money allocated to a specific category this month? Does it magically disappear? Or does YNAB have a rollover feature? The short answer is no. YNAB doesn't have a traditional rollover in the sense of automatically carrying unused funds from one month to the next. Here's why. YNAB is about true expenses. YNAB operates on the principle of true expenses. This means you're not just budgeting for this month, but for all your necessary expenses for the upcoming month. If you have extra funds in a category this month, it likely means you over-budgeted. Adjusting your budget, instead of automatic rollover, YNAB encourages you to adjust your budget. If you find you consistently over-budget in a particular category, you can increase spending in that category. Perhaps you've underestimated your true expenses. Reallocate funds. Move the extra funds to another category where you may be falling short. Increase your savings or debt repayment. Put the extra money towards your financial goals. While the lack of automatic rollover might seem restrictive at first, it actually offers several advantages. Forces conscious spending decisions. By not having unused funds automatically carry over, you're encouraged to be mindful of your spending throughout the month. Identifies areas for improvement. It helps you pinpoint areas where you may be overspending or underestimating your expenses. Encourages proactive budgeting. YNAB encourages you to constantly review and adjust your budget based on your actual spending patterns. Some users might worry about losing money if they don't spend their entire budget. However, YNAB ensures your money is always accounted for. Funds are still available. Even if you haven't spent the full amount in a category, the funds are still available to you. You can always adjust your budget and spend the money later. Flexibility. YNAB offers flexibility. You can always adjust your budget throughout the month to accommodate unexpected expenses or changes in your spending habits. While YNAB doesn't have traditional rollover, it offers a more intentional and proactive approach to budgeting. By encouraging you to review and adjust your budget regularly, YNAB helps you gain better control over your finances and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.